today, and I felt like making a simple kind of folio. So I printed a dragonfly paper on a 250 GSM card, and on the back I just printed a plain colour. And then I also printed out one of these ephemera display pocket things, and I want to use them all together to see if I can make a cute little folio, or ephemera folio. Anyway, so I'm going to start by cutting out this ephemera pocket. I've not preemptively planned this, so this is a bit of a try and see as we go. So I'm making this the outside, this is the inside. I'm going to just fold it in half like this. And I'll score this now, so remember how this works. So that folds up like that, so I score this at the top pocket, and this one top, and middle. Alright, I'm not going to score this yet because I don't know if I'm going to be attaching it to the other one or leaving it on its own. Okay, so that, I think what I'll do is I'll use this piece as a pocket at the bottom on this side, and I'll attach this on here and have all pockets up this side. So let's see how that looks. Right, well, I've got my ruler pressed up against this. A little bit of glue paper under that. And attach. And I'm going to cut this here. Score this here, so I can make this last bit part of the back of the pocket. Just give it a thicker lip. That, glue that in. Like that. Alright, so did I score that one? I don't think I did. Maybe. Yes, it did. Alright. I didn't trim that. I was supposed to trim that off. I didn't trim that off. Silly me. Alright, that's alright. I'll just refold this manually. Like this. I got glue. Okay, and last bit. good. Alright, I'm just trying to decide whether I want to put a strip of paper to attach on the edges to seal it, or whether I want to sew it. I think I might sew it. I'll just get my sewing machine out and take care of that, and we'll be right back. Alright, so now I have stitched that. I am going to trim off the threads. Like this. And I might just tidy the edges up. Okay. Now I need to decide at this point whether I'm going to put this right up against the crease and trim my folio down, whether I want to see some of this edge around. I think I like the edge, but I think I want to ink around the pocket. Alright, the other thing I will need to decide is whether I want to attach it completely or whether I want to leave it open so I have this tuck spot behind here. But I think for this I won't do that because it's not a huge amount of gap there. So, a bit of glue paper and time for gluing all over. Going to try and line this up as centrally as possible. Like that. And press. Alright. Now I can wipe the glue off the edge. Alright, now on the other side I'll fold this up and this can be the base of the pocket. Fold that will at all. Fix manually. I just printed these pocket pieces on regular copy paper so they're not too thick. And I'll be popping that there, but it needs to be inked. Hello, Bubble. Right, and so for this one, I'm going to pop glue on this bottom flap and then possibly just a... Oh, Bubble's visiting. You just stood in the glue, sweetheart. Oops, that's too much. Let's be creative and just apply some of to the other side. Hopefully you can still see what's going on and I'm not off camera and Bubble isn't completely blocking it. Absolutely everything. Hold on, sweetie, working with glue. Time limit. Right. Yes, yes, yes. I know you want biggies. Hold on. You can't go that way. You'll topple my hoarder's pile. Come here. Come here. Just, oh, cuddle. Oh, yes.
5 Hours later.
Right. Need to pop a little extra glue onto this corner. Like that. Test that I've not sealed this pocket up too much. Alright, I'm going to fold this the wrong way and ink edges. There we go. So now all we've got left is to fill it with some goodies. So there we go. I don't know how many bits I popped in there, but I just wanted it to look nice and full. And there's a nice ephemera folio. Might finish it off with a tie. There we go. Nice little gift for a friend. Thank you very much for being with me today and watching, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.